What's up guys, Random Razor here with a random product review video for guys today. And in this video series, or this video I mean, today we have a Gracious Living multi-drawer storage system for shallow 2D drawers. But anyways, you guys are probably wondering, well, what's so special with these? Well, I just want to make a video on, random products and some that, some people want to review on. And these are pretty popular. A lot of people use these for storing stuff in their basement, but people like me who are going to college, I definitely would need one of these, to store stuff because most colleges don't, at least for their dorms, don't offer much storage in terms of drawers and stuff like that. So you have to bring a couple of your own. But anyways, I picked this thing up at Canadian Tire and decided just to get this early because it was on for $19.99, which is the cheapest I've ever seen for these. And I've always been itching to get these just to have a bit more organizational space and stuff. But I got this for college coming this September, and it's it's a pretty neat idea to get one of these just because it helps to organize our stuff, and also these are pretty inexpensive. Like I mentioned, I got it for $20. These normally retail for $36.99, around about to $39.99. So and my speculation on the reason why it's so pricey is because yes, guys, this is made in Canada. You don't really see much stuff made in Canada or the United States anymore. So it's plastic, but it's pretty, it's pretty decent quality, and it's pretty strong plastic here, and you're definitely getting a pretty decent quality, product here. Now, in terms of buying it with retail price, these things go on sale quite often, so I wouldn't really recommend buying it for $36 or $37.99 just because it's a bit pricey. But if you can get it for $20 like I have, definitely grab it. But anyways, a few reasons why you might want to get this. First off, it's portable, very portable. It does come with built-in wheels. You can remove them also, and I do recommend removing them once you get all settled in and wherever you want to put this. For example, me, I'm gonna take the wheels off once at my dorm because the problem with this is because it's plastics. It's not the most greatest thing to make shelves out of, but it's very useful. And if you have a lot of stuff in one shelf, you pull it, it's gonna drag the shelf with it, the entire shelf with it, because it has wheels on. So if you remove it, that won't happen. At least most of the time, it won't. But anyways, like I mentioned earlier, this has 4 shallow shelves, or drawers I mean, and 2 deep ones. These do come in a variety of different sizes and stuff. For example, you can get 3 deep drawers, 2 shallow ones, and I saw another one actually last week that was on sale for $20 that had 5 deep drawers up. So pretty much an extra one on top here, and 4 more deep ones on the bottom here. So it's definitely a variety of them you can grab, and decided just to get this one here because it has 4 shallow ones, which is really nice because I like to organize all the little stuff, for example, cables, bags, papers, books, pencils, stuff like that. But anyway, so for those of you who are heading off to college or something, this is definitely something very nice to pick up. You can get obviously better quality ones that are made of wood and metal and all that, which are a lot more sturdier, a lot more stronger. The problem with that is though, when you're going off to college, you're gonna have to be carrying this around, not all the time of course, but when you're moving from your dorm or taking your stuff back home and then moving to an apartment or a house or something like that, you definitely want something that'd be easily portable. And this thing here, because it's made of plastic, it is very light to carry around, and it's $20, so if you break it or something, you might be still a little bit pissed that you broke, $20 worth of this, but still, it's a lot better than losing more money than that. So, very inexpensive and easy to replace as well. One of my favorite things about this, it does have transparent, or as you can already see, transparent shelves, so you can identify, see what's in here without, opening every single shelf up to see what's in there, and so that's definitely a nice plus. It is from Gracious Living, which is a pretty decent company that makes plastic cupboards and drawers and stuff like that. And like I mentioned, made in Canada, so you're getting a decent quality product. That does have wheels on it, which, like I mentioned earlier, I'd recommend it to take off. But if you want to move it around, they're pretty nice wheels. Like you can, move this thing all the way around, spin it around, and all that. So, in terms of drawer space, the shallow ones they're not the biggest drawers because these are not really that deep, but in terms of storing a lot of the small stuff, so I just threw a bunch of random stuff in here. Calculator. If you're wondering what these are foam earbud things for iPod headphones or any other headphone, and these just help making wearing headphones a lot more comfortable. I got a couple cases here. That's for my portable hard drive, and this is for my phone, which I do use sometimes. And down here, just got some paper for my printer here, which I'm gonna have to take with me, which I'm not really looking too forward to, because this thing is a pretty big printer. This here is my MacBook nylon messenger bag slash with handles. Whoops, guys, sorry I can't see that. And it actually fits in this drawer pretty much perfectly. Normally these drawers don't come out easily like that. For some reason this is the only one that can easily pop out. They're usually stopped right there. There's a stopper there, but I guess something's up on the inside there. It's just, you know, kind of weak. Or not weak, I just kind of bent down so it doesn't lock into place when you pull a lot of way out. But that's where that one is. And this one here just got a bunch of books. These are all the view books to the universities I applied to. Well, not all of them, but some of them. For example, Western, Windsor. No, I didn't apply to Windsor. I applied to Western, Laurie, Guelph, and one other one. But anyways, I just threw all those in there just to give you guys an idea. This one here, we just have more books and stuff. I threw in some binders in here. These deeper drawers can store binders, which I'm kind of surprised. They're just big enough in terms of width to fit a standard size binder in here as well. So, you know, variety of uses. You can also store, you know, throw in your socks, underwear, clothes, sweaters, stuff like that. If you want to really use these for clothing, I highly recommend getting the ones that don't have the shallow ones that all have all the shelves are deep drawers like this, so you can hold more clothing like sweaters and stuff. Just push this back. And on the bottom here, I just have some random hygiene stuff. Something's in, what the hell I put in here actually? What is in here? Looks like, we got some clips and some couple Hot Wheel cars for some reason. And I got some DVDs and PS2 games I just kind of threw in here. Just give you guys an idea what, you know, kind of random stuff you can throw in here. And but anyways, for those of you who are in Canada, and I'm sure they probably sell these in the United States as well, just at different department stores. I got this at Canadian Tire, so if you are in Canada, definitely pick one of these up. They're 20 bucks, you know, fairly inexpensive, and probably the best thing to get in terms of storing stuff for in your dorm room or apartment or something like that. Just because it's inexpensive, you know, easy to carry around, very light, it's made of plastic. Drawers are all see-through, so it's very convenient to, you know, see what kind of stuff you have in here. My only complaint is the plastic's good, but in terms of putting it all together, like, this is how easily the top can pop off. Like, well, maybe not. Well, I wouldn't say easily, but you can. Well, you see, that happens. So, yeah, you can remove the entire top, and well, I don't know why it does that, but you can. But it does take a bit of force to do that. But if you do accidentally do that, you can just, you know, hit it back all into place, and you're good to go. It's all nice and sturdy. Like I mentioned, this is just a plastic shelf. So if you're looking for something, you know, if you're not in a dorm or anything like that, and you're looking for something a lot more sturdier that will stay in place for years and years, then definitely look for something that's a bit more, you know, has, you know, made of wood or metal or something like that, because plastic here, it's not really the greatest material in terms of you know, durability and all that. Like the plastic one here kind of wobbles and stuff, mainly because it's on wheels, so it does wobble even without the wheels on. And but anyways, this is definitely a great idea if you just want something cheap to store your stuff in the basement, or if you're like me, going to college and want something to, you know, to easily carry around and to store stuff like I want to, you know, keep everything all organized. I mean. But anyways, if you guys have any questions or comments, ask away. And I think that's pretty much it for this video. Not much else to say about this, but it's a pretty nice product. And if you can grab it for 20 bucks, I definitely recommend it. Like I mentioned, they do come in a variety of different storage sizes. So you can, so here I have 4 shallow, 2 deep. You can get 5 deep, and you know, all that stuff I mentioned earlier. In terms of the top here, putting stuff on top, it's a fairly sturdy top here. I wouldn't really recommend putting like a TV or anything like that on here, mainly because this thing does wobble and stuff, and you don't want your flat screen to fall off. But you know, if you want to put like a small fan or something like that, or a picture frame, you know, then you can definitely go ahead with that. But anyways, it is a white color as well, so it matches pretty much anything. I think I saw a gray one, and as well as a beige one, so you know, pick whatever you like. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you're looking for something for your dorm room or anything like that, definitely recommend this product. It works well. It's made in Canada, so you're getting a pretty decent quality shelf. And just remember, it is plastic, so don't expect anything, you know, too spectacular about it. And I guess I'll see you in the next video, and have a fantastic day. Peace.